What was BBI? What were we trying to resolve? Tulikuwa tunasema, right? We have a disconnect in terms of the way our resources as a country are divided. All right? Because we also have a disconnect in representation. Right? So we said that's one area that we must resolve. And how do we resolve it without also hurting those who are our brothers and sisters who are already enjoying the constituencies and other things that they have? Tukasema, right? You know, and by the way, this was an open, neutral team ya wazee na wakina mama na vijana from across the country. Tukasema, look, how do we ensure that if we move for this, yes, we don't disadvantage those who come from smaller communities? Mimi nimewaita hapa ndio mimi nipate nafasi nijaribu kuwasetia agenda ile ambaye nyinyi muna uwezo wa kurudi mitaani, vijijini, pahali mmetoka kuanzisha debate na kuuliza wenzenu, where does our future lie? Tunaelewana?